Alright, this is how you do a service due reset on a 2023 BMW X3. So without pressing the brake pedal, press the start stop button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Come back to the dashboard, you see service due. Ensure that the check engine light is on. To the left, find the BC button. This is the BC button. Press it down for about 30 seconds, or keep pressing it until the oil reset comes up in the dashboard. That's it. So release the BC button, press it again, release the BC button, press it again, or release the BC button once you see that, and then engine oil reset in progress. Reset successful. Foot on the brake, start the vehicle, and you're good to go.